AutoEDU product line is specially designed for automotive education. AutoEDU was started in 2003 in Lithuania, and now we do the export all around the globe. All these years we have dedicated ourselves to the creation of educational aids, explaining the structure and automotive technology in an easier way. Our motto is based on the experience of our people working here in AutoEDU. They are always very close to automotive technology. Garage equipment and diagnostic tools. Now, we are proud to say that AutoEDU provides a complete solution for educational institutions for automotive teaching and training with all the necessary knowledge, equipment, and tools. AutoEDU, we know how the vehicles are made.